So, guys, do you want to make this type of paper cut easily? Let's begin. First, go in Google and search Paper Animator. Then click on First Website and tap on Launch App. Then sign in with your Gmail. Then tap on Second option and type your text. Then, click on Create. And if it doesn't work in first, try click repeatedly on it. After that, click on Download icon and download MP4 no watermark. If you want to see it, go in Chrome and download. Here it is. That's how you can create paper cut animation. See you in next video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.